revisiting the idea of you being in the education industry? Or are you the one who's thinking of getting in it, but because of the uncertainties and the kind of situations the schools and educators are facing, you're stopping to take an initiative in that? If you're in any of these two, I think wait, I would like to invite you for a door solution. I was very sure after pandemic that survival is not what I was looking at in my life. I was looking at something that puts me into a life which makes me feel alive each day to contribute whatever I have. Many educators and teachers were looking at an alternative options. Many school leaders were thinking of whether the schools or brick and mortar schools are going to work or not. So they decided to find something out online or something to do with other industries. Before you decide for yourself, I want you to wait. Do not be in rush of leaving the industry. I know it's really hard after the pandemic to be in the state of survival, to understand whether your job or teaching in the classroom is the right approach for people in the preschool industry or the primary sector where you're not seeing a lot of financial independence. This is something that you need to hear today. I started my journey as a teacher, but then when I was in a school NGO in the structure format, I realized that there's a lot of impact that I can make in the industry. So to work with children was one, and to work with teachers was other. So I took on to work with educators so that they work in the system, in the industry with dignity and pride. And that's what my mission is, to help you go from the uninspired job to leading your life that you love. And that's what this program is all about. Hi, my name is Shruti Nagar, and I am an educational development consultant and coach. I help school leaders, educational professionals, educators to build a high quality learning experiences in their organizations. I'm excited to come on board today and talk about this program called Teacherpreneur cohort. It's going to be a masterclass where you'll get a breakthrough ideas of what is it that you are up for? What is the next best step that you can take being in the industry? How do you redefine the role of educators? And what are the powerful combinations that they can work and lead their life that they love? I know it sounds really hard when somebody tells you to wait, be patient, and things will turn up. I am not somebody who waited. Actually, I kind of skipped a lot of years of waiting because I was moving on to the next level every year because I was committed to myself. I value my money and time, which is why I invest a lot of money and time in my education, in my development. And that is something that gave me an idea of, if this is about me, likes of you can also have that too. I have crafted a year-long program for educators, school leaders, educational professionals in any capacity they're working to contribute, with some committed resources and knowledge that I can help them with. I invite you for a Teacherpreneur cohort on 19th of February 2022, of course. And this cohort is crafted for school leaders, educators, aspiring educational professionals and leaders to understand what is the role that they can pursue in this industry after the impact of the pandemic. What is the future of education, and how do they see themselves playing sort of roles that fulfills them as a person or as an individual. Come join me on 19th of February. My motto is only one, that any professional, any individual in the world works with freedom, flexibility, and learning. I think three values that I carry and that makes me super excited and happy each day to contribute something for the world. I think that's what needs to be radiated. That's what needs to be shared. So I cannot wait to see you on 19th. The enrollment link is right in the bottom. Click, register yourself. Maybe you're the one who's next in the line of leading the world of education.